Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to schedule a blog post on your Squarespace website. So guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and that you own on your Squarespace account. So guys, you can see we currently have only one website called tutorials, and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your website by clicking the website right here, and this will now open up our website in the page. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you can see that there are a couple of options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, commerce, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the first option right here called pages. So guys, after clicking on pages, currently you can see now that we have the option to see all the pages that we have on our Squarespace website. So we want to go ahead and enter our blog page. If you do not have one, just create one and then go ahead and enter it. After entering your blog page guys, now you will have this plus icon in the upper right corner where you will be able to add a new blog post. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here. And now this will give us the option to add a new blog post. So let's give it a name. Let's say the name is tutorial. You can edit whatever you want. You can enter the description or whatever you want. And after you're finished guys and you want to schedule the blog post, all you have to do is go to the upper left corner right here and you have to click this button called schedule. So guys, go ahead and click on schedule, and now you can schedule when you want it to be uploaded. Let's say we want it to be uploaded tomorrow at 1:30 at 2 p.m. So after we selecting 2 p.m, you go ahead and click this button right here called schedule, and now guys, you have successfully scheduled this blog post for tomorrow at 2 p.m. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.